to deny me access without hearing my application, Your Honor. That is prejudice of you not to allow me to.
You will get law books. They are the same books that every jurist in the country, pre a certain time when laptops became the norm, used. I used it when I started practice 30-something years ago. They will give you access to all the information you need for purposes of preparation of both your main application and your defense in the free state. And that is essentially what you are. So you will get access to
Can I finish my application? Can I bring my application before the court?
You can make your submissions, Mr. Bester, with pleasure.
Your Honor, I would like to take the court into the processes that I've gone through to bring this application before the court, and also reason why I've requested for a laptop or access to internet or information, as access to information is a constitutional right of anyone. And also,
you don't have a constitutional right to a laptop and a modem, Mr. Bester.
Can I finish?
No, I'm putting it to you. Show me where the Constitution says you have a constitutional right to a laptop and a modem.
Your Honor, I do not have a constitutional right to that, but I have a constitutional right to access to court. And the resources can be limited, as a right to an inmate can be limited under limitation. And under those rights, Your Honor, there are access to laptops and modems in prison currently to students. So are you saying that I do not have a right to access court?
A student, Mr. Bester.
No, Your Honor.
I'm giving you access to law books. All the material you need, I will give you access to. They will just not be electronic.
Your Honor, I have evidence in the main application that has to be seen, that is visual evidence, which is press briefings. It's also in the responding papers of the main application where the respondent states that I have not added those press statements that I've put because of the fact that I do not have access to them and I have not watched them. And how am I going to watch them when I'm in CMAX, when I'm incarcerated? And the fact that I have no resources to access those evidence. And the application is based on the following. But Your Honor, you have thrown my application out of court without me giving you background.
No, I actually haven't, Mr. Bester. I'm telling you, I'll give you the material you need. I'm just not giving you electronic material.
That's biased, Your Honor.
Yes.
Because you haven't let me finish why I stated the application.
Mr. Bester, you want...
And you are defending the application as the defendant. You are not giving me an opportunity to justice, Your Honor. You are blocking me. I'm putting my submission. You could allow me at least to finish my submission and then throw it out.
You are welcome to make the submissions, Mr. Bester.
Okay.
As I've said to you, I will give you access to material.
Okay,
You are welcome to.
Can I continue to make my submission?
Mr. Bester, don't be rude in my court.
I'm sorry. Can I continue? Can I make my submission?
Mr. Bester, be polite and different in a court of law. Please don't stand there and roll your eyes. It is really unbecoming. We are having a debate here. That is what we are doing. I have given you my prima facie view. I'm going to give you a full opportunity to place your facts before me. But you will need to convince me that you require access to a laptop and a modem for purposes other than what hard copy material cannot give you. That is in your papers, Mr. Bester. All right. Please continue.
Your Honor, I also bring the fact that I'm self-represented in both applications, which is this one. Your Honor, I have lodged the application on the 13th, which was commissioned on the 13th of August. Because of struggling to get third parties to assist me to file the application online, it was very difficult for me to bring this application. As you would see that the respondent used the fact that the delays of dates of the sit-down because of the fact that there were missing applications and missing documentation in my submission. And because of that fact, Your Honor, is that I do not have access to court because I cannot file an application without anyone assisting me. I'm also in a position where I'm disprivileged because of the fact that I have 2 visits a month, which is 30 minutes a visit each month. And I'm also limited to legal resources because every legal counsel that has to see me must make a booking based on availability, then that would be granted. So meaning that if I have to submit or access any information, my resource of accessing information is limited because of the rules and regulations that are enforced on me at CMAX. And because of that, Your Honor, I cannot file an application as I wish. I cannot take any litigational facts as I wish at any point to access the court. The court is digital. And if the court is digital and I have to use a third party to file an application in this court, it makes it impossible for me in my current circumstances. I'm not asking for a free will access to internet. I will showcase the court that access can be limited and can be secured in an environment that I'm currently in. It is proven by other courts and other prisons that has enforced the same laws. And access to court, Your Honor,